Welcome back to the Electricians 2 channel. On the bench today we have the CRAFTSMAN Pro Series AC/DC True RMS clamp meter with Bluetooth and app. Model number 19745. I can't really tell you when this clamp meter was released to the market, but I know it has since been discontinued by CRAFTSMAN. But this, if you take a really good look at the multimeter, you can see it's I would say it come like the rest of their multimeter. I think it was made by the company Sim. I'm almost sure of that. But anyway, this multimeter is a pretty decent multimeter. I think they had more than just this. This was part of the Pro Series, the collection that CRAFTSMAN came out with. And so let me read off some of the specifications. But before I do, I'm going to ask for your support for the channel, guys. If this is your first time viewing, I'm asking that you hit the subscribe button. Help the channel out, help the channel to grow. Hit the like button also. And if you choose to, you can leave a comment or post a question if you choose to. All of that will be in support of the channel, and I really would appreciate it just to help it grow. Okay? So let me read off some of the specifications, and then we'll get into a few other things beside this. AC current is at 50 hertz. You get 1,000 amps max. DC current is up to 1,000 amps max. DC voltage 600 volts DC. That's the max. AC voltage 50 hertz, 600 volts AC. Resistance 6.000 mega ohms. 60.00 mega ohms, okay? Capacitance, 6,000 microfarads. Let me see. It's a sensitivity at greater than 15 volts AC RMS. Has 40 hertz to 1 kilohertz. Sensitivity at 50 amps, 600 amp range. Well, I should say greater than 50 amps, 600 amp range. Greater than 500 amps at 1,000 amp range. Duty cycle, 4 to 1,400 Fahrenheit. Diode, they have forward DCA is approximately 1 milliamp. Open circuit voltage, max 3 volts. Continuity, test current max 1.5 milliamps. I'm reading out of the instruction manual, so bear with me a second, guys. And that's about it. Some of the features, it has a low battery indication, over range indication, measurement rate, input impedance, display 6,000 counts, AC current 50 to 60 hertz, operating temperature 41 to 104 Fahrenheit. That's 5 to 40 degrees Celsius. Storage temperature is -4 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, -20 to 60 degrees Celsius. Operating humidity max, 80% up to 87 degrees Fahrenheit. It's a decreasing linear, decrease to 50% at 104 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 degrees Celsius. Operating altitude 7,000 feet. That's 2,000 meters maximum. Over voltage category 3, 600 volt. Battery 1 9-volt battery, and a 15-minute auto power off. And the weight of this meter is 183 kilograms. Guys, this is a pretty, if I must say myself, this is a pretty decent meter. In the future, I will be comparing this meter with other nice meters that I do have, just to see how it will hold up. But today I'm going to do a few little small tests with it, put a little voltage in it and things like that. So let me just zoom bring the meter in closer and let you guys take a look at it. What comes with the meter is, besides the instruction manual, you get this K-type thermocouple. It's right here. That's the adapter here in the front, and that's the case I throw up in the back. That's the standard kind that you find that come with the market, whatever multimeter you buy today, especially the Sim brand. There's the leads they're okay for this meter, but they kind of PVC-ish, kind of stiff a little bit, so it's not the best meter. I mean, the best leads for it in test probes. But I would use them if that's all I had. I'll feel safe using them. Now, as the meter, let me just zoom you guys in, and we can start from the bottom to the top. 1,000 amp true RMS AC/DC clamp meter. That's the voltage. I mean, the inputs right there. The screen look okay. Let me just put a little backlight onto it. The backlight is really bright, and it's clear. It really doesn't look evenly lit. I mean, it is evenly lit. Don't get me wrong, but you can see it down at the bottom where the two LEDs are are installed, and pretty decent. Pretty decent. The CRAFTSMAN logo there, Pro Series 19745. The soft keys. You see the mode feature. Let me just see what happens when I hit the mode feature. I've never done that just yet, but let me just see what happens. I have it standing up braced up against the back because I had no other way to make it stand up. So just bear with me. If we fall, I'll have to put it back up again, guys. Okay, so let me just hit the mode button. Nothing happened there. But we know about the min-max. Okay, and relative is already zeroed out. There you go. That's it. And a peak has a peak hold button on the side. Doesn't have like an inrush button or what have you. It doesn't even have a backlight or like a work light, so it doesn't have that, which is kind of common on a lot of the clamp meters of today, even the multimeters. And you have a hold button here that controls not only the hold, but it also put the backlight on. So that's it right there. So let me just get out of the picture some, and I can just show you how I look around the dial. Okay, you see where it says that's the volts AC with the hertz and duty cycle, volts DC, resistance, diode and continuity, capacitance, temperature Celsius and Fahrenheit, 600 degrees, 600 amp AC/DC, and 1,000 amp AC/DC. And that's the Bluetooth feature, letting you know this model has the Bluetooth. Now, this is the thing. I tried to look for the Bluetooth online, and they may have, since they discontinued the meter, making it of this meter or selling this meter, you can't really find it. It's no longer out there. So I know there's something that you can connect to out there, and if you guys know of a software or another meter app that I can connect to using this multimeter here, please let me know. I'll appreciate it. And also there's a non-contact voltage detector, which works. There's 1,000 amp around a clamp meter. Pretty decent meter, if I must say myself. Let me just turn it around and let you guys back up some. Let you guys take a look at it. It doesn't have the whole like the place in the back to hold test leads. It doesn't have that. And also it doesn't have like a magnet, a place that you can install like a Velcro strap to hold it. It doesn't have that either. But nonetheless, it's still a good meter. The bag is a real nice Velcro type bag. Yeah, it's a very nice bag that comes with it. It's not much on the inside. I'll just show you how it looks on the inside, but it's not much there. But it'll hold everything that's being shown right here. Just a normal bag that you normally see. It has two pockets, this side and the other side's a little strap. So, but it's a good bag nonetheless. Okay, like I said, the meter is really nice. No complaints about it at all. But let me just do some things to it. Let me get some test leads right quick, and I'll apply some power to it. Okay, I'm gonna use my my power supply, that by my BK Precision. It only has 13 volts coming out of that one, and I just use that just to, for giggles and laughs, okay? And I'll also do another AC power supply that I have over here, and we'll see just what happens. So let me get, okay. I'm trying to, let me give me some leads, some jumper cables, that's what I'm doing. All the test leads I have here, and I got to, okay, I got it. Here we go, guys. Let me just, now this may fall, but let me just get it out of the way so I can, just like I said. Okay. Okay, almost here, almost there. Okay, let me turn on the power and we'll let it rip. Turn the backlight on so you can see. Okay, 13.5, 1360. And it shows up really nice. That is exact voltage just coming out of there. So let me try something else. And guys, like I said before, this is just to introduce my meter. I will be doing other things with it in the future. It might fall on me, so. And this one is 7 volts, okay? So. All right. So. Let me. My little power supply don't seem to be working. But that's okay, because I'll just connect some real power to it. I have my little low voltage because I want to try it out. Anyways, give me a minute, guys. This meter reminds me of an Ideal Industries meter. Something about it just does. Okay, so let me just put this on here. And okay. I got it hooked up to my mains. So, let me put it right so you guys can see it. power. And here we go. 122.5 volts. And you can see at the top the little non-contact voltage detector right there. So I mean, the meter's really nice. It's really nice, guys. And plus, to me, I would consider it a classic, because you hardly can find them. And I was lucky to get my hands on this one. So again, guys, until I will be doing other videos with this meter. I will be doing that and comparing it with other meters, and it's coming up in the future. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget to help support the channel. I really would appreciate it. It just helps the channel grow. Okay, so in the meantime, you guys take care. Stay tuned. There will be more videos coming, and I really appreciate you. I'm out.